Hey guys, what's up? It's Ponycorn Smasher here, and this is my first Clash Royale video. So here I versed a guy, and he was pretty tough to beat. And basically, he has a P.E.K.K.A. coming down, so I put down some 2 Elixir Spear Goblins just to handle with him to make it get slowed. And then he puts down an Ice Wizard. That's crazy. Anyways, so he lightnings there, and I put down my Inferno and 1 Elixir Skeletons to kill that P.E.K.K.A. But then he puts down a Poison Spell, which is even more crazier. I don't have the Poison Spell or the Ice Wizard. That's why I said wow there. I was in shock. So put down my Goblins and throw my Goblin Barrel just to do some damage, and then he puts down a Musketeer. I did get some damage in there. But yeah. So right here we're just gathering Elixir, and I put down my Goblins, or Spear Goblins, to take care of the Musketeer, and then he puts down a Wizard. So now he has the Ice Wizard, the P.E.K.K.A, and the Poison Spell. So here he puts down his Ice Wizard, and I'm just waiting. So he lightning spells, so my Inferno Tower is gone. So I know that the lightning spell costs a lot, so I put down my minion horde just to do some damage, and he actually does nothing about it. So I almost take out his tower with 1 minion horde, which is 5 elixir, which is crazy. So I throw my Goblin Barrel there just to take it out, and he puts down his P.E.K.K.A, which I guess is a good move. I don't know. I would have put down something else. But, so I put down my Inferno Tower and my 1 Elixir Skeletons, because I don't want him to lightning spell my towers and my Inferno. So now he puts down a balloon, and I was just like, wow. And here's where everything goes downhill. So I put down my 2 Elixir Spear Goblins to try to take care of his balloon. And he puts down a Poison Spell, so I know that's gonna go down. So I put down my Inferno Tower just to take care of it. And then now I put down my Spear Goblin hut, so I can just start building up Spear Goblins. And here's where I thought I was gonna lose, but then last 10 seconds, throw my Goblin Barrel, and I take out his tower, and honestly, like 5 more seconds, my tower would have been gone. But I won there, so yeah. Good job to whatever his name was. He or she did a very good job, and I'm just proud of myself for winning. Anyways, see you guys next time.